This is the DC10WD. This is the replacement Makita charger for the 12 volt max lithium ion. Now if you want to buy this from Makita, talking about $65, $75. I got this one on Amazon. I got this on Amazon. It was, anyway, these are all over Amazon and eBay for $15, $16 each. There is so many of them. I have to wonder if it's the same guy with multiple listings. But anyway, get this thing in and it smells like burnt electronics. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells. Anyway, I got a good deal on this. It came with this battery, 4 amp hour, supposedly. It even has a level on it, right? And I think I got this whole deal for like $25 for the battery and the charger. If you were to buy this from Makita, that's $100 all day. Anyway, so it works good. It's not fast. It's not slow, but I only got the one battery. It was running out. I can't find my charger, so I said, let me get a replacement charger. Damn, the Makita chargers are expensive. So I settled on the cheap one just because I had the one battery. And all my other stuff is Ryobi. Anyway, now I got the charger. It works. I could use my my drill again and not worry about having to run out of power. So it's the usual, you know, plug it in, it goes green. Put the battery in, it's testing it. When it's charging, the light will be red. When it's getting there, the light will start changing until it turns green, fully charged. If both of them blink, that means it's a bad battery. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to leave a link down below. This is kind of cheap, so I'll leave you a link for the Makita one if you want to get that instead. But anyway, like I said, it's cheap, it's really light, it doesn't have any weights in it like the other ones would, so it just bounces around. It's not a problem though. It works. I charged up my battery. I charged this one up. This came about, it was about 80% when I got it. Anyway, they're both full now. Like I said, the only problem I don't like is the smell. It stinks. I'm going to try to wipe it off and see if I can get the smell off it. But anyway, let me get some of that orange stuff and see if we can get the smell off. Got some citrus cleaner over here, multi-purpose. Try to see if we can wipe the smell off it, because it's really bad. Let's try the battery first. I'm not trying to do a perfect job, but as long as I get the majority of the smell off. Yeah, I think it came off. I think the smell's coming off it. Let's try the charger itself. Put some orange on it. I'm going to wipe it down with some orange. Just trying to get that smell off. It stinks, boy. But you know, they're so cheap. They don't have time to put them through a wash. Plus they probably made thousands of these, and they probably ain't selling too good. You know, how many people need a new charger like me? Right? Probably a lot more than we know. Let's see if we've got rid of that smell. Oh yeah, it seems to have gotten rid of the smell. It's not bad now. So I won't complain about the smell anymore. Anyway, that's the replacement Makita charger for the 12-volt batteries. It's the FD05 drill. Takes these little batteries, BL1016, and a couple other models. Like I said, that's it. So if you want to get one, I'm going to leave a link down the bottom. I'll leave you the link for the one with the battery. That's a nice deal because you get an extra battery. Much better than this 1.5 amp hour. Even if it ain't as good, it'll still be better than this. So leave comments if you want. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.